I'm Dr. Paul Thompson. Over the past 30 years as a urologist, I've helped thousands of men restore their sexual health where it counts. Shockwave therapy has proven to be one of the most powerful and effective solutions for men. There are over 40 different clinical studies on this technology, and I've personally treated thousands of patients with it. Simply put, it works. Professional shockwave therapy units, like this one, are designed to treat multiple patients and cost around $40,000. This is one of the reasons a full round of shockwave therapy treatments in a clinic will cost patients thousands of dollars. Plus, there's a hassle of making repeated appointments and taking time off work. This is the Phoenix. It's extremely affordable and delivers tens of thousands of dollars worth of in-clinic treatments from the comfort of home on your schedule. It is the only medical device men can use at home to get the same treatment and results they would get in a clinic. You can hear the powerful shock waves being produced by both devices. You can see for yourself that the Phoenix and the clinical unit deliver the same treatment. I helped design the Phoenix to allow men to easily follow the same 120-day protocol I use in my clinic at home. Guys, this is a no-brainer. The Phoenix delivers the same results, and it's way more affordable than traveling for repeated appointments at a clinic. Skip the uncomfortable conversations and own the solution. To view hundreds of verified reviews and chat with an expert, visit getmyphoenix.com.